with that, we will be doing the points right here, and then the loser, because we're all going to be doing it, the person who has the least points will be getting whipped cream to the face. So y'all better know each other. And today's mukbang will be Sonic. We haven't really tried Sonic. I think we only tried the chicken burger. That's pretty much. Oh yeah, you haven't tried it. So this is our first time, so we tried some new things. We haven't tried the wings, the tater tots with cheese on them, mozzarella sticks, and the hot dog. But yeah, 4 things. It's our first time for something. So can I start with my mozzarella? Yeah, I want to try one too. I don't really like cheese like that. Let me try this shit. Tater tots. But you put marinara sauce on it. You're gonna put marinara on it. Okay. Here you go. I thought it was gonna have like a cheese pool. Yeah,
not the best.
And Wendy was just telling me she wanted some of these like 2 days ago or yesterday. Yesterday, I think. But we didn't know que los vendían ahí en the Sonic. We didn't even, yeah, we didn't know. We thought it was just like sandwiches. That was pretty much. But then right now, I thought they were known for. Honestly, I thought they were known for hot dogs.
I love it.
I wanted what?
That's not mine. That was mine.
These wings are really good. I've been craving wings. It's 2 each.
Say what?
She's already in her second one, that's what I'm telling her.
If you don't want yours, I'll have it.
I want it.
If you want it or not.
She does want it. Okay, anyway. Let's start with the first question.
You start first.
No, I'll start first. I have our questions, well, my questions right here. Alabama. It's nice. This is a foot long, she said. Who wants a hot dog so I can cut it? Okay, so I'm gonna start. Wait, Rocco, wait. Whitney. Miss Whitney. Because my first question is, what is something I love to do? Like now? In general. Or like before? In general, something I love to do. Say your answer.
I don't have anything.
You don't have anything? Okay. Do you have anything? What do you have? Take a picture? No. You will travel. Oh. It's all over my room.
Yeah, but
you sleep there.
How am I supposed to know? You never told me.
Okay, next question. Where is my dream trip? I have 2, so whoever gets one of them.
I forgot what it's called. No.
I know it. I know you told me.
Look that way. Look that way.
I think it starts with a B.
I know it does. I know it does.
No. Hold on. Oh shit, that's my napkin.
That's my napkin.
No, I didn't clean my moco. Can I run and get some napkins? Okay. Hold on.
Can I have it?
No, I haven't even ate it. That's mine.
Oh, I didn't know.
Again, where is my dream trip? Okay, you guys are right. It does start with a B.
I know it does. I know it does. Does it also have an A?
I cannot say anymore. That was just one hint.
You said no hint.
Well, I just gave you one.
should be grateful that I did.
No.
9,
No.
8,
No.
7, 6, 5,
Bahamas.
4.
Bahamas.
What did you put?
It's Bahamas.
Boja, ¿cómo se llama?
Bahamas. Bahamas. It's Bahamas.
It's Bahamas.
I just remembered who you
I put Bahamas. You can even see my piece of paper. It says Bahamas. No, I'm not gonna show you.
And I was gonna say Bahamas.
Do it.
My dream trips are Bahamas and Brazil.
I thought it was Hawaii. I was gonna put Hawaii.
No, Hawaii is out on my list already.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. There's 2 answers for this one, so either you get 1 right or you get none right. But you can only put 1. I mean, you could just put 1 answer. But there's 2. What is my favorite type of music? There's 2, but you can have 1 if you'd like. I think Mom's gonna get this one for some reason.
Daddy doesn't know the type of music.
That's why I put 2.
No, pero I mean, she could at least say like an artista.
Oh, yeah,
vamos a decir,
she
I don't know.
because she doesn't know like what's what.
You guys ready answers?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Set.
Did you put like a kind of like a name of a
No,
artista?
no, no.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Show your answers.
It's like
What did you say?
music plus sad music. Yeah.
What the-
I don't know. You have that type. I don't know, man.
Oh, gang music.
You have
I mean,
to.
that's kind of like hip hop and R&B. Yeah, I put hip hop. What did you put?
I put reggaeton.
Yeah. You both get a point. That you get a point for trying. She put gang music, but I don't know what that is, but okay.
No, well, I will know también like this stuff.
No, I know. Don't take it the wrong way. It's just hip hop and
She
R&B.
doesn't know. Please. She's little. She doesn't know.
Okay, my last question. How many times have I sprained a bone and where?
Oh wait.
Sprained, not broken.
Look that one. I don't know, because I know when you were little.
Your answer. And did you answer the other question?
What was
It was together.
What was it?
Where and how many?
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's 2. One was on your leg. No, well,
Where on your
pata.
leg?
Like la muñeca, tu pata. And then on your knee.
What is your answer?
Same thing. Knee and ankle.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Okay, that you're next. You have your question?
Me.
So for my round, my sister knows me better than my mother.
Yeah.
That's sad.
Sorry, bro.
You've lived with me more than her. Imagine that.
I'm only 10. I'm gonna go here to my first question is, what is my biggest fear?
Your biggest fear?
There's 2 answers for this one.
Biggest fear, biggest fear.
I didn't know you had a fear.
Yeah, me either.
I do. 10, 9,
What?
8,
Your biggest
7,
fear? Oh, fear. Fear.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spider?
I said heights or downing.
My biggest fear is actually dying alone or being alone.
Okay, that was a little.
Okay, next question.
My next
Hey, tell me why I was gonna put dying. I was gonna put dying, but I was like, that's everybody's fear.
Oh, I thought she was gonna be like, oh, losing my parents or some shit like that, you know?
That's some sweet shit. No. Not wrong. Shit, I should have put like, oh, losing my sister, you know. Little did we know it's not none of ours. Okay,
Next
go.
is what is my phobia? It's like I'm I'm grossed out or something. Or I just don't like it at all.
Like you're grossed out?
Yeah.
A phobia, like you know how Joseline's phobia is holes on the hand?
What it is?
Yeah, that's her phobia.
Yeah.
I said cracks.
Ghost.
How did we grossed out?
Oh.
We didn't have ghosts in the house.
Okay,
Wait.
when you said ghost honey, me and Jordan the same.
Holes.
phobia. Holes and bumps.
Yeah, holes in the wall.
Just bumps. Bumps on the wall from the paint on it. I hated it. I don't even feel like I didn't like it.
Okay, we're wrong.
What makes me nervous?
What makes you nervous?
No? You acted. You don't even know.
I have two questions. I mean, two answers.
Well, two? Okay. Makes her nervous. Makes her nervous. Makes her nervous. Oh, it's gonna be a funny one.
What makes me nervous?
What makes you nervous? I have one. I have two.
Farting in front of people.
No. That makes me embarrassed, not nervous.
Okay. I said tests. Tests or not having Wi-Fi. Oh shit, she gets hella nervous when there's no Wi-Fi. She's like, the Wi-Fi went off. Oh, I know. Can I have another chance?
No. Alright, I'll give you both one more chance. I'm gonna tell you right now you have you're close. It's telling me you're close. But it's something about it. Something about
Get
10,
5,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can I go first? Being on stage.
Yeah.
Ah! What did you write? Talk to me? Can you give me a point?
Yeah. Being on stage.
Give me a
Yeah. I should give you guys an easy one. This one's a little hard.
Okay, next. You know what I was gonna put one of my questions? What is one type of food I love? Who knows the answer to that one? What is it? Me! Right here!
Papas.
Yeah, that was
What do you think I'm going to ask for this Christmas?
Oh, I know.
This is what I've been wanting for, but you never got me.
I have two.
Yeah.
Can I answer first? Okay. Okay, you ready? Okay, let her answer first.
A phone. And another iPad.
Yeah, and a phone.
A phone? She told me no iPad. When did she want a phone?
Remember when we went to Apple?
Oh,
You were the one saying Apple. That man, you even said it.
We did? We're not gonna get that. I don't have a phone number. The phone list.
They don't need a fucking phone. They're always with me. What the fuck?
I need a phone.
Who the fuck's gonna call them?
You're right. I don't have friends.
I do.
Oh, I didn't even say mine. I have friends. Oh, I didn't even say my answers. I said you want a new iPad,
You already said
and then you want personal Wi-Fi.
no.
It wasn't right. So then we at least get a point. We at least get a point for the iPad.
I get a point for the phone.
But what the fuck? You told me you wanted an iPad.
No, you even said I had Apple.
Well, then you ain't getting shit for Christmas. I asked for a phone. That shit never came. That shit's alive, bro. Okay, next question. You're done?
I haven't even done this for good. Ustedes solo.
Did you just call me a bitch?
No, I didn't say bitch. Yesterday she.
No. I did not.
Como que esto ya está pasando.
Bro, I called another lady a bitch, right? Because she had done a white ass turn, and then she tells me that wasn't her, that was me. So I was like, oh shit, I didn't call you a bitch, but in a way I called her a bitch, you know?
Okay, what's my favorite celebrity?
I know.
No.
No, I write it.
Fucking write it, dude.
How many? 1 or 2? 1 or 2?
That's not fair, Mom.
1 or 2?
I don't even know your
Okay, you,
favorite.
mami.
I don't even know any singers. I don't know their honest.
Ponle a canción or whatever, you know?
I don't know songs either.
Well, no, it doesn't matter. Just like you could sing it.
How about I
That's
help
not
you? Can I
fair.
help her? And you don't know how to spell it, it's your fault. Oh, hell no. Then put whatever. Just put whatever. Whatever you think her favorite artist is. I said Selena. What'd you say? What'd you say? No, what'd you say?
You told me the wrong
It's gonna be
one.
right. What is it?
I don't even know how to spell that one. Come on, I don't want to mess alive.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
That was a good one.
I said como la flor, and she said Camarón. She said Cardi B for the other one.
Oh, you got it, mama. You got it.
Wait, so I didn't get one?
You got it. You got it.
That's not fair though. You can't do that anymore.
What? What did you do?
I don't know any of your favorite songs.
Well, that's why it's a test to see if you know her better.
What's my favorite food? You can say like a platillo, or
Oh, okay, I got it.
or like I guess it's the region or food region.
Tradition. No.
Don't matter, mommy.
Okay, I got my answer. We're answering.
Okay. What is
What was your question? Your favorite food?
favorite food
Or dish?
or dish?
Okay, I said tacos or enchiladas michoacanas.
Literally, that's what I put. I put enchiladas or tacos / flautas.
I get an extra point because I put michoacanas. That's not fair, but I got tacos too.
Hey!
That's not fair, dude.
I see.
But that's not fair. How did I look? You're gonna win either way because how did I start with freaking? How did I start with one when I asked the question? Okay, go next question.
Yo quiero ir que he dicho que quiero ir a conocer en the United States.
I said Florida.
No.
Oh, really?
That's your dad.
No, you said you wanted to go to Selena's museum shit.
It's not in Florida. It's in Texas.
That's the other one. I was gonna say Texas. I told you I didn't know which one. It's either Florida or Texas. Okay, so my mom and I lost, but I guess we're all gonna get whipped cream to the face.
And we're gonna do it outside.
We're gonna do it outside because we don't wanna. It's an apartment and we don't wanna mess up the carpets.
Y no queremos hormigas en nuestra casa.
No, like that, straight like that. No, straight like this. Ah! Okay, ready, set, go.
Wait, I want you to count to 5.
5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I like it.
Bro, are my eyebrows still there? My eyebrows aren't there no more?
They're covered.
Oh, fuck, then we don't leave them like that because they're not there anymore.
Hold my
That's
glass.
5 you said.
No, put your hands down.
Put your hands down, yeah, it's not
Let me
fair.
breathe for a second.
Okay, I'm not gonna put it, you're gonna count down. Let go, I'm not gonna put it, I'm not gonna put it until you count down. I think I can see how you guys see because I see blurry right now.
What? Hey, dude. ¿Ya la aventabas para el cuarto?
No manches. Give her the
You
towel.
want me to do a replay? I'm gonna do a replay on this.
Wait, the neighbors are looking.
I didn't even fucking lose.
Yes, you did.
Okay, despacito porque me va a doler el putazo. Should I just like stay like this?
Hurry up.
No, el putazón que me vas a dar me va a doler.
Hurry up. Oh my god, I look stupid.
Hands down.
No, pero despacito porque se me va a doler. Mira, ya estoy ciega, mira. Oh, Paquito, yo estaba aquí hoy. You saw? You saw? You saw? Come on!
You're throwing the whipped cream.
Okay, you guys.
She has makeup all over it. Oh, yeah, they're licking us. We got whipped cream all over. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys in our next one.
Make sure to like and subscribe and tell us what you wear this Halloween and what is your favorite holiday.
Yeah.
Mine is Christmas.
Mine is Christmas.
Mine is Christmas.
Christmas.
So what is yours?
What is yours? That's the question here.
We'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Who put those in? I look like shit. We tried something new by throwing whipped cream on our faces. She wants to